What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to have a quick review of ZMI PurPods Pro active noise cancelling earbuds. So we will have a look on its design, its performance, features, audio quality, battery life while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. Inside the retail box of ZMI PurPods Pro you will find an instruction card, the ZMI PurPods Pro earbuds inside the charging case, a user manual, quick start guide, some silicone tips and a USB Type-C cable. Now talking about the design and build quality, ZMI PurPods Pro looks quite beautiful because of the combination of curved and sharp edges. The build quality is quite solid and it is splash resistant as well. We got multiple microphones for noise cancellation purpose. We got slight notch on both left and right earbuds for the gesture commands. So one different thing here is that unlike other earbuds, there is no touch sensitive part on the earbuds. Instead of this is a pressure sensitive one. So instead of tapping or touching, you need to press this particular area to perform gesture based commands. The design of the charging box is also quite nice. Just like the earbuds, it also comes with the combination of smooth and sharp edges. Behind the logo, there are hidden LED indicators to get the idea about the connectivity process or if the battery is low. We got the USB Type-C port for charging and the case we got here is a wireless charging case. You can also use a wireless charging pad or a reverse wireless charging capable smartphone to charge the charging case and the earbuds inside. And it would be nice if the flat surface provided on the charging case was at the bottom instead of the top to provide better stability while putting the charging case on a wireless charging pad or at the slippery back of a smartphone. The ear tips provided are quite nice. They are soft, cushiony and comfortable, but it would be nice if ZMI could provide few more pairs of silicone tips to suit different ear shapes. Now talking about the audio quality, the performance is very impressive. The audio quality is great, the amount of bass produced is also very nice and you also get equally good amount of mids and highs, so it does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will enjoy it on these earbuds for sure. ZMI PurPods Pro comes with few nice features but you will have to use the ZMI Here application to use them. The user interface of the application is quite easy to navigate and use, using which you can update the software of ZMI PurPods Pro. You can switch between the equalizers, but one big drawback here is that the only two equalizers are provided and there is no option for having the custom equalizer. You can turn on or off the ear detection mode to automatically play pause the music when you remove the earbuds from your ears or put them back. And talking about the gesture, single click is assigned permanently for playing pause the music on both earbuds. The triple click is permanently assigned to launching the voice assistant on your smartphone, and the long press can be used only for turning on off the active noise cancellation on both left and right earbuds. So even though theoretically we could have so many different types of gesture commands on ZMI PurPods Pro, ZMI is actually restricting the possibilities and giving very less options to consumer. But the gesture control itself is quite nice. The clicks are satisfying and the sensor is very responsive and accurate every single time when you use it. It also comes with a Find My Device feature using which you can locate your ZMI PurPods Pro. When you use it, it produces a very high pitch audio to locate your ZMI PurPods Pro. So never ever try this feature when the earbuds are inside your ear. And the ZMI PurPods Pro also comes with a gaming mode that gets automatically activated if your ZMI PurPods Pro is connected with a Xiaomi phone, because ZMI is Xiaomi's sister company and it is well integrated with the Xiaomi's Mi UI. So once you start playing games on any Xiaomi smartphone, the gaming mode will be activated by itself to provide low latency audio. Even without the gaming mode, the performance is quite nice and you won't feel any issue while playing games or watching movies in terms of latency. The performance of active noise cancellation is quite nice and it reduces most of the low frequency ambient sound very nicely, but a bit of mid and high frequency sounds will still pass. It also comes with the ambient sound feature that enhances the ambient sound to give you an idea that what exactly is happening around you. It also comes with a wind noise cancelling feature that reduces the wind noise with the help of multiple microphones provided. And then we got the adaptive volume and adaptive ANC features that automatically adjust the volume and noise cancellation intensity based on the ambient sound, and these two features work quite nicely as well. Now talking about the battery life, once again the performance of ZMI PurPods Pro here is very impressive. With the active noise cancellation turned on, you get nearly 7 hours of battery life and up to 10 hours of battery life when the ANC is turned off. And provided the charging case, you can charge the battery up to 3 times. So you will get anything between 20 to 25 hours of battery life depending how you are using your ZMI PurPods Pro. Overall, ZMI PurPods Pro is a very nice active noise cancellation earbuds. So if you're planning to buy an active noise cancellation earbuds without spending too much money, then ZMI PurPods Pro is one of the best options for you for sure. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.